Today we have a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is When Officers End Up Arresting the Person Who Called 911.
I gotta turn my bus in for the night. She lost, but she got disrespectful because I told her to get off the bus.
Hold on, man. Give me a second. Hold on. Stand over there real quick. Let me talk.
Okay. On October 13th, 2024, officers were called to a bus stop after a passenger got into an argument with the driver.
Give him 1 second.
Come on. I was just on the bus. I was like, I don't know where I'm at. I don't know where I'm going. She told me to get on the bus. She get me off over here. She's like, oh, yeah, bitch, you gotta get off this bus. All this crazy shit. I said, look, you ain't even gotta do all this. She ain't disrespectful. I'm like, you ain't even gotta do all this. You just, you know what I'm saying? So just take me to the train station so I can get somewhere. She started talking crazy, so I'm talking crazy back.
Where are you trying to go?
I just need to get to the train station. I'm trying to get to the west end. No, I'm trying to get to the west side, like the west end area. I can get on the, if you drop me off at the train station, you feel me? If you drop me off at the train station, I can get to
where you need to go.
Where I gotta go. You know what I'm saying? You don't need my help.
I need just kind of make contact with you. Hold on, don't walk away from me.
I told her, I said, well, ma'am, I'll take you to the end, but you're gonna have to walk back if you want to get back to the station or go towards East Point. I'm trying to help her as best as I can. It's the end of my shift. And all I told her to do was you're gonna have to get off here. She told me, well, call your people, call whoever you want to call, because I ain't getting the fuck off the bus. And I'm like, well, you're gonna have to, because I'm in his service for the night. My husband is waiting on me. She was like, well, fuck your husband and your kids and all that kind of stuff.
Did it get physical or no?
No, it did get physical.
It was only verbal?
Yeah, and I stood right there and I told her, I said, you need to get off the bus. It's bullshit. It's bullshit.
I know. All right, man, so what's going on?
I don't want her to leave me.
S-T-E-P-H.
Because I don't know where to go.
Hold on, give the officer your name. S-T-E-P-H.
Okay, call your supervisor.
Supervisor's right there, man. Right here.
Okay. I ain't did anything.
That ain't work. Call your supervisor. Well, hello. Hi. How you doing? Give your name.
You supervisor, call the supervisor. I am the supervisor. Okay, what the supervisor saying? What's that supervisor?
Man, you don't see this? Stay right there. That's your supervisor.
I ain't did shit and y'all gonna let her leave me. I ain't got nowhere to go. Okay, I don't even know where the fuck I went. Okay, well, I ain't did no crime. So ain't no shit out of one of my
I'm gonna tell you this right now, man.
It don't matter. You know I know. You know I know.
I'm gonna tell you this right now, right? First of all, like I said, stop your shit.
Y'all wanna buy it like my wife?
So like I'm gonna ask you, man.
Say you gonna lock me up. You finna grab your.
I'm gonna ask you one more
You finna
time.
down your trip. Anyway, Miss Harris.
I'm gonna ask you one more time. Can I get your information?
Okay.
Just give him your name.
I just gave him my name. I said Stephanie Harris.
Spell it out slowly.
I just gave it to him.
It's a lot of ways
It's
to spell
crazy.
Stephanie.
No. Cause I ain't did nothing.
So don't man, you're not gonna give you information?
No. Am I detained?
Okay, now you're being detained.
Okay. Oh, why you slapping me like that? Oh, wow.
Just give us the information so we can help you get to the train station.
Please talk. That's all I'm trying to get to the train station, and I get handcuffed.
Give me your first name.
I get handcuffed.
All right, listen, Miss Harris.
It's crazy to me. It's crazy. I know my rights.
Just listen to me.
You know my daddy is the sheriff.
Listen to me, okay?
Okay.
I will get you to where you need.
Is the sheriff or a sheriff? There's a big difference.
To go.
That's it. Okay. So why do he have me in handcuffs?
Because you're not cooperating.
He beat me like this.
You're obstructing our investigation.
That's not obstructing.
It is, because you're not giving us our name.
Quiet.
I just want to go home. I asked y'all for y'all help. And y'all come and lock me up.
That's what we're trying to do. You're not
bullshit. Can I get a supervisor, bro?
My supervisor's right here.
I didn't do anything. Why am I in handcuffs?
You're detained at the time.
It's crazy. I ain't gonna run. This is crazy.
You know, that's what everybody tell us when they about to run.
I don't know, because I can't tell you that, because I'm not them.
Exactly. I don't know that you're not them. So you gotta express to me.
It's all good, because I know my rights, and I ain't do nothing. I ain't do nothing. I ain't did nothing.
It's not coming back out of Georgia?
Cause I'm not from here.
What state? What state?
Cause I'm not from here.
What state?
It's all good. No, for what? I ain't do that.
We trying to get you where you
I
gotta go.
called you for help.
So you're not
And
gonna
you
tell
got
us
me
what
in
state?
handcuffs.
We're not doing this no
Oh
more.
my, I don't care.
All right, fuck it.
I called y'all for help. I didn't do nothing. I called y'all for help. I called you. This is crazy. I ain't do that. What y'all need? Come on, let me go home. It's 12 o'clock. I just got off of work. I don't know where I'm at. Come on. Y'all don't think my kids don't even know where I'm at. Come on. Come on. You gonna slam me?
I ain't gonna slam you. Go sit down, man. Go
Can I
sit down.
get people's number? Can I please call somebody? Now this is bullshit because I called y'all.
Okay.
I called
You go sit down,
y'all.
ma'am. Ma'am, are you gonna sit down or I'm gonna make you sit down?
Oh.
Alright, come on.
Oh my
I give you an
God.
opportunity to sit down, you don't want to sit down. You go sit down.
Now you ain't gotta do me like
Go sit down.
that. You ain't gotta do me like that. You ain't gotta do me
I'm
like
asking one more time.
You ain't doing that.
Have a seat.
Look,
Have a seat.
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look.
Sit down.
Look at him.
Sit down.
On my phone. My phone is, yeah, it's recording.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you, can you sit down?
In my purse. It got a what's the name money. Look at him. Look. Have a seat. Look at him. Look.
Get up. Get up.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God.
You gonna get her back and I get her legs on?
Oh my God. Oh my God. I called you. I asked for fucking help from y'all. And y'all gonna do me like this? Y'all gonna let this man slam me and everything?
Yeah. Can't say this is racist because you know what was coming. If these officers was white, you know what's coming. You know what's coming. These is brothers, man. What you gonna say? These are brothers getting you together, man. All you had to do. That's all you had to do. You would have been good to go, man. You would have been good to go. That's it. Act right, man. You know? Yeah, you can't blame this one on the white community, man. No. This is in-house right here. This is in-house. Can't blame it on the snowflakes, none of that. Nope. Snow bunnies, none of that. Nope. Sit in the car. That's it. You don't want to sit in the car? All right, now he got to yoke you up. Get you together. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, you see this shit? I swear to God, I ain't doing nothing. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, bro.
Stand up, Miss Harris.
Oh my soul.
I'm trying to help you up.
Okay, can you please help me?
Stand up and get in the car.
I want him to.
Get up.
I swear to God, I ain't doing that. I ain't doing that.
Stand up.
I can't move.
Okay, now have a seat. Have a seat.
Look, can you
Have a
please?
seat.
You're going to jail. It's no going back. You going to jail.
I don't care about that.
Okay,
I don't care about that because I didn't do nothing.
okay. You can tell that to the judge.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this man. Do you see this shit? And you
Get up, man. Get up. That other shoe? You got it?
I got it.
Move a little bit. Move a little bit, man.
Oh my God.
I don't want to hit her
My
leg.
arm.
All right, thank you.
Is her name on anything?
See, I can't even put my window down. That's bad.
Did she give a fake name?
Myron Jenkins?
No, this is just a 7-day Adventist card. Tahira Toure. What did you say? She says
Stephanie Harris. I mean, I have the rapid ID too, so if we need to do that.
But, so we don't have to do all that.
Yeah, you're right.
My
bank cards don't be having the names on it? What are they?
Nah, not prepaid.
She got
Yeah,
so
she
much
got prepaid
names.
cards.
Angela Watson.
What's her name, bro? This a birth certificate or something? Job application.
It's like that shit.
Tahara Toure.
9991.
And it was at that moment she knew she messed up. Officers were able to obtain her real identity, and she was arrested and charged with obstruction and providing false identification to officers.
Yeah. Yeah, I figured that was a fake name. Once they start digging in there and they can't find nothing, like you using prepaid cards, you ain't got no bank account, like, yeah, you shady stuff, man. That's what you get, man. That's what you get. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.